What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play Inner Peace by WRLD. If you're new here, click that subscribe button in the bottom right hand corner of this video, as well as the notification bell, that way you never miss a new tutorial. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories, so if you want some free stuff, stick around to the end of the video. I get into all the giveaway stuff there, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play the song. Okay, you guys, so this song is in standard drop D tuning, which means you're going to be in E standard and then drop your low E string down to a D note. So it should be an octave lower than your third string, your D string. As always, if you need the guitar tab for this, you can download it in the video description, as well as the chord diagrams you can find in the free ebook that's in the video description. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. The picking for this song is very easy. It just repeats throughout the entire song. You're going to start with your index finger on the 2nd fret on the A string and your pinky finger on the 4th fret of the D string. Now you can use your pinky or your ring finger here. It doesn't really matter. I just like to use my pinky, but if you want to use your ring finger on the 4th fret of the D string, you can. But 2nd fret, index finger, A string, 4th fret, D string with pinky or ring finger. They're just picking those two strings, A and D, and then muting. So 1, 2, mute. Then you're just picking your open low D string, and then your A string open and muting. So from here. Then go up to the 5th fret and pick those same strings, your low D string and your A string, and then mute. And then go down to the 2nd fret and do the exact same thing. And then it starts all over and that just repeats. So from the top. Now that is the picking pattern for the song. You can just play that throughout the entire song. It just repeats. If you want to play through the chords of the song, I'll show you those right now. You start with the B minor chord. It's going to be 0, 2, 4, 4, 3, 2. You're barring the 2nd fret with your index finger starting on the A string, not playing anything on that low E. Then your ring fingers on the 4th fret of the D string, pinky fingers on the 4th fret of the G string, middle fingers on the 3rd fret of the B string. Your next chord is going to be a D major, which is 0, 0, 0, 2, 3, 2. Index finger 2nd fret on the G string, ring finger 3rd fret B string, middle finger 2nd fret E string. Then you're going to go to a G major chord, which is 3, 2, 0, 0, 3, 3. Ring middle finger on the 3rd fret of the low E, index finger on the 2nd fret of the A. Next two strings open. Ring finger 3rd fret B string, pinky finger 3rd fret high E. Then finally you're going to an E minor chord, which is 0, 2, 2, 0, 0, 0. Middle finger A string 2nd fret, ring finger D string 2nd fret. Now your strumming pattern for the chords is going to be down, 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 up throughout all 4 chords. It looks like this. Down, 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 up, 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 down, 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 up. There you have it, guys. That's all there is to it. Keep practicing. You will have this song down in no time. Now, the way the giveaways are going to work is each month I'm picking 2 winners. One will win a guitar accessories kit that's got a capo, guitar straps, strings, picks, everything you need in there as a beginner guitarist. And the second winner is going to win a free Billy Schultz Music t-shirt from my merch site. And then once the channel hits 50,000 subscribers, I'm going to pick one of you lucky winners to win a free brand new acoustic guitar. All that you have to do to enter the giveaway is like this video, subscribe to the channel, turn notifications on, and leave a comment on this video with a song that you would like me to teach you on guitar. Now, turning on notifications is extremely important because each month I'm going to be live streaming the announcement of the monthly prize giveaways, and then once I hit 50,000 subscribers, I'm going to live stream the announcement for that as well. And to get notified, you gotta have those notifications turned on. Also, make sure to follow me on Instagram at billyshultzmusic. The more that I see you guys on Instagram, on YouTube, liking, commenting, it doesn't matter on what platform it is, that's just going to increase your chances of winning one of these prizes. So again, to enter all the giveaways, like this video, subscribe to the channel, turn on those notifications so you get the notification for the live streams, and leave a comment on any of the videos with a song you would like me to teach you on guitar. Also, make sure you're checking the descriptions for all the videos because I got a lot of really useful links down there for you guys. The free ebook, Master the Guitar in 7 Days, will always be down there. The guitar tab for any of the videos will be down there. All my personal information is in there, my Instagram, my socials, my email address. Thank you guys again. I really can't say it enough. Your support has been incredible. I can't wait to give away next month's giveaways, and I can't wait to give away this acoustic guitar. Again, if you have any questions, comments, concerns, leave them in the comment section below. Shoot me an email, DM me on Instagram at billyshultzmusic. Those are the easiest ways to get in touch with me. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. We'll see you guys in the next video.